Looping in any programming language is just like you're gonna repeat the same statement number of times. Basically, if you would like to display a message on your screen 10 times, do you have to write it 10 times? Of course not. All you have to do is just write it one time and the looping will take care about the number of times. Basically, any loop will have a counter. This counter starts from initial value and condition where exactly you have to stop. So I will start this session by 4. To do that, just say 4, and that one actually have 3 things. The first part is about initialization. I would like to initialize my variable by 1. So please start your counter from 1. After that, count that one 10 times. So here is that I will tell him stop on number 10. And the last part, which is basically go one by one. Here is that I plus plus means, each time just count 1. So that's basically will start from I equal 1. And if I or 1 is less than or equal 10, please execute what's inside the for. In our case, it will be just console.log hello. Alright, so right now he will display hello on the screen 10 times. How can you know that? First of all, 1 is less than 10. After that, what it will happen, he will increment that one by 1. So the new value here will be 2. Is 2 less than 10? Yes. Please go and execute what's over there. The next part, he will increment another 1. So the new value will be 3. Is 3 less than 10? Yes. And so on till it's already 10. 10 equal to 10? Yes, he will display that one. And the last one, which is basically 11. Is 11 less than or equal to 10? Of course not. So he will not display that statement anymore. That's basically about looping inside JavaScript. He will display that message number of times according to your condition. Here is that if I have some more space, you will find hello is already printed 10 times. To make it obvious for you, we can, instead of hello, here is that we can just say I. What it will happen, he will just increment or show I number of times from 1 till 10. And here is it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at that. That means he is about, counter, starting from 1 and keep going till reach the number you told him. What about if I told him, please, only show me only 3? And look at that. Let's have here some space about the console. He just say 1, 2, 3. There is nothing more. Alright, so to sum up, here is it inside for loop. You got 3 parts. The first part is called it initialization. And the second part is called it condition. Or you can say the ending of this initialization. So this is the beginning, this is the end. And how can I move till this end? I plus plus.